स्वागत है आपको हमारे चैनल पे। आज हम मैथमेटिक्स में बेहतरीन ट्रिक्स सीखते हैं। आज सीखेंगे कि हम बड़ा नंबर को कैसे डिवीजन कर सकते हैं।
Hello guys, today let us learn how to divide. It becomes very easy when we divide. Suppose 124, if we divide it by 2, very simple, we can say that 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. This is the answer, this is the division, and this is the question, and this is the dividend. तो अगर हमको कोई भी नंबर इससे बड़ा वाला दे दिया जाए 3 2 8 9, इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे 23 से, तब तो हम टेबल नहीं सीखे हैं, वी हैव नॉट लर्न द टेबल। तब देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, देयर इज अ ट्रिक, वैदिक ट्रिक है हमारा पास। तो इस ट्रिक को इस्तेमाल करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे इसको 3 2 8 9 और इसी को इसे भाग कर देंगे। यहाँ से 23 से हम 2 इधर लिखेंगे और 3 को इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे 3। सो नाउ वी कैन डिवाइड इट with 2 1 is 2, so we write 2 here, we subtract it, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we bring down
2. Whenever we bring down, we have to multiply with 3 to get the result and subtract it. 3 into 1 is 3.
Is 3, we subtract this 3 from 12, so after subtraction we get 9. Now again we shall divide this 9 with 2, 2 4 are 8, then we'll subtract it, and once it is 1, come down here and we'll write 8 here. अभी इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 4 jar 3 into 4, अभी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 4 jar 12, so let us subtract this. 8 minus 2 is 6 here in this case. Now we'll divide 6 with 2, 2 3 jar 6. This 9 will come down here, since we have remainder 0, 9 will come down here, we'll write here 9. Now again we shall multiply with this 3 and 3, 3 into 3 is 9, so we have got remainder 0. The answer is 143. Question is remainder is 0. This is the technique to multiply a big number with another big number. Now let us divide 4896 with 153. So this 3 will come up here, so 15, this one goes up here, there goes up here, so 15 3 is 45, 8 minus 5 is 3, this 9 comes down, so we write 39. When it comes down, we'll multiply this 3 into 3 is 9, we are multiplying 3 into 3, and we subtract it to get 30. Now 15 2 is 30, subtract it, we get 0. This 6 comes out down here, 6 comes down. Now we shall multiply 3 into 2, 3 into 2 is 6, so we have remainder 0. So our quotient is 32. Let us now divide 7696 by 52. These 2 goes up here, so we'll divide it by 7696 will be divided by 52 in a trick, Vedic trick. So 5 1 is 5. Let us subtract it. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 comes down. So we'll multiply. 2 1 is 2. When a number comes down, we have to multiply it. 2 1 is 2. The 2. Then we subtract this. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 5 4 is 20. After subtraction, we get 4 here. 9 comes down. When a number comes down, we have to multiply and subtract. So 2 4 is 8. 2 into 4, 8. After subtraction, we get it 41. So we'll divide it by 5. 5 8 is 40. After subtraction, we have got 1. 6 will come down. 6 will come down. After coming down, we have to multiply with 2 into 8 is 16. So we have remainder 0. Quotient as 148. Let us divide this 601325. Let's divide with 76. The 6 goes up here. We'll divide it by 7 only. This 6 goes up. So there a confusion arises. So I have written 2 times. So let us check it. Everybody will divide it by 7 8 times. 7 8 is 56. 7 8 will happen. Let us see it. So after subtraction, we'll get 4 and 1 if we bring it down. So if we multiply 6 into 8, 6 becomes 48, which becomes invalid. So we cannot multiply with 7 into 8. That's why I have written 2 times here, so that to clear the confusion. So we have to multiply 7 into 7 times 49. After subtraction, we get 1 also comes down here. We'll multiply 6 into 7, 42. After subtraction, here we can divide. 7 9 is 63. We'll subtract it. We get here 6. 3 comes down. So we'll multiply 6 into 9. 6 into 9, 54. Subtract it to get. We can divide 9 with 7. 7 1 is 7. After subtraction, 9 1 7 is 2. Then we'll bring down that 2. These 2 will come down here. If it comes down, we'll multiply with 6. 6 into 1 is 6 into 1 is 6. After subtraction, we have 16 here. Let us do it above upside 16. We'll write it 16 here. Okay, below. Then we can divide the 16 by 7 2 jar 14. After subtraction, we have 2. And this 5 comes down. 5 will come down here. 5 comes down. So when 5 comes down, we have to multiply with 6 into 2. We'll write this is 13 here. 13 is the remainder when we divide 60132 by 76. This will be called the remainder. Since we cannot divide 13 by 76, this is our remainder. We can further divide it to get decimal point. We'll put a point here. Let us write the value here. We'll put a point here. So 7 1 is 7. After subtraction, we'll have 6 and write it 0. Then we'll multiply with 6 again. 6 into 1 is 6. So we'll subtract it to get 54. So 7 7 is 49. We'll subtract it. Then we'll write it 0. Then we'll multiply with 6 and 7. So 6 7 is 42. 6 into 7, 42. So after subtraction, we'll get here 8, and we'll go further. So we can write it, and 7 1 times 7 1 is 7. We can write it, and we can continue further. So we can see the quotient as when we divide 601325 by 76, we'll get quotient as 7912.171. Let's take another example to divide 39128. We'll divide it by 73 in a very simple way. We can circle out this 3 and write it here 3. Now let us divide with 7. So 7 5 is 35. After subtraction, we get here 4 and 1. So when we bring down a number, we have to multiply here 3 into 5. So 15, we'll write it here. Then we'll subtract this 15 from 41 to get, so 26. We'll get 26. So 7 3 is 21. So after subtraction, we'll get 5 here. And we bring down these 2. When we bring down 2, we'll multiply 3 into 3. 3 into 3, we'll multiply it. We'll write 9 here. So after subtraction, we'll get 52 minus 9 is nothing but 43. So we'll divide 43 by 7. 7 6 is 42. So we have got 1 here after subtraction. So 8 comes down. We'll multiply 3 6 is 18. So we have remainder 0 after subtraction. So 3 into 6, let me write it here so that you don't get confused.
Dear friends, practice karte rehna. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. धन्यवाद.